What up, Ian?
What up, AK?
I'm ready to rap, dog. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to hear some raps?
I'm ready to hear some raps.
You ready to eat some peppers?
Not really.
No?
Well, I mean, I'm ready. Do I want to? Nah.
Let's do this. We got the pepper cam going.
We got the pepper cam. We got the words. And if you're new to the game, spicy freestyles. He freestyles. I hit him with 3 random words, which you can see right there. I'm gonna regenerate this thing. I'm gonna refresh it, rather.
Oh, refresh. Yeah, I'm ready. So I ain't looking.
Gonna hit the refresh, and then AK is gonna spit it.
Let me know we're good.
There you go, dog.
All right. I got a list, and I thrive to kill it. So I'm gonna thrust forward, and I'm gonna let you know how I'm feeling it.
Alright. If it was more words, you would have fucking lost.
But, let me ask you, though. I kind of messed up on the last one.
Which one?
I don't know.
Like last time? Well, no, that doesn't count now.
Yeah, so
You nailed that.
Alright.
That's a pepper for me.
Okay. Alright.
Why am I signing my own?
Spicy freestyles. We played a game.
Sign my own death warrant.
But you know what I'm thinking? You know what this got me thinking, Ian?
What's that?
I'm thinking we need an impartial judge.
An impartial judge?
Yeah. What do you think? Maybe someone could pop in.
Yeah.
They judge who goes. He still deals the words. I still freestyle, but we have someone who doesn't have any skin in the game, so they can be as cruel as they want.
That's true.
Oh.
Dude, you might be eating a lot of peppers. I'm not saying you suck. I'm just saying. What if that judge is impartial?
Yeah.
Or not is so impartial and very much biased.
We're going to work on this judge thing.
We got to pick a good one.
Because you might also be eating a lot of peppers, too.
Maybe you could pick a judge and I could pick a judge.
Oh. And the judge got freestyle.
We could do it a couple different ways.
Pepper time. Anyway, let us know. Hit us up in the comments if you think a judge would be cool. We would throw them on screen. It'd be a lot of fun. If you want to be a judge, maybe let us know. Let's do it. I mean, we can enjoy the suffering with Ian together. You and me.
You can watch me suffer.
Yeah.
But do they have to eat peppers too?
No, they'd have no issues. They just get to pick.
They just get to pick.
Yeah, so they just win all the time.
Like, fuck you, AKA, and eat.
Eat a pepper. Yeah.
You look hungry. You're not fat enough yet.
Pepper. That's what they could be.
Oh,
they could roll dice for all, you know.
It is just pure death grass.
Yeah, it is. We really gotta.
I wish there was more flavor. We're gonna have to experiment with some more
different peppers.
Yeah.
Different styles. All right, you guys, let us know. We may have to hit the local grocer to find some fun ones. I think he's got a couple ideas. I don't know anything about them.
You know what I thought about?
What?
I mean, I love peppers. Don't get me wrong.
Mm-hmm.
But one of the things has been one of the spicy things that's fucked me up more than anything. Curry.
Would we take like dots of curry, or we would make some chicken wings?
No.
Wanna make some chicken wings?
You know, like those ghost peppers for like the 100th episode?
Yeah.
Curry is like that. Some curries can be.
Oh. Well.
So you definitely don't want to take a spoonful of it.
Okay, so we gotta make something with it.
Usually yogurt.
Yogurt? Curry yogurt? Just having some yogurt?
Well,
I'm intrigued and weirded out.
Curry goes good with yogurt.
Oh, okay. But do you dip something in the yogurt to eat?
I'm not talking like strawberry yogurt.
I only know the yogurt that comes in the container with the top.
Wait, Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt? All right. Well, I'm down. I'm down for these events and see what's happening. I'm also ready for my next set of words because I feel like I'm gonna hit you with another pepper. I'm feeling it. Feeling good.
You feeling good?
Give me some words, dog.
Hit it.
All right, here we go. I gotta rehabilitate my mouth because I entertain with spices, no doubt. I want you to hear this quickly, dog. I just destroyed those 3 words. Words! I said words! I got the words, but I got to say words.
If I was a judge.
I should have just stopped it.
Yeah.
We're both eating peppers.
Oh, God, dude.
Both peppers. Pick your weapon. Pick your weapon. I'm gonna take this big boy right here. See, when you freestyle, I feel like as a rule that if you don't end it awesome, you know, eat a pepper. That was a big one. Work it around. You know, that's a philosophy of life. Work it around. The bad, spread it out so it ain't so focusedly bad.
This is like,
So bad.
I think I want it to be even, but I'm fucking dying. That one hit me late too. I was fine at first.
This was making my jaw hurt. Like,
God, dude.
painful. Painful. Woo! Woo! Just give me the hiccups.
Uh-oh.
That's
That's when you know you're fucked.
I never got the hiccups from Spicy.
Oh, dude. AK is so up shit creek right
Woo.
now.
Woo! Those are rough. The hiccups.
You know what helps with hiccups? Like my
More peppers?
surefire cure. I don't know about with peppers, but just like regular hiccups. Pickle juice.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna double up on that? You gonna get it?
No. Like I was saying, like those last two I ate, I was fine. Well, I mean, I wasn't fine, but it wasn't this bad.
It's a little bad. It's a little bad. But check us out. I got an idea. We got 4 peppers in there. Which means we've only done 2.
No. Can't do it.
I got an idea.
What?
You ready for this idea?
No.
Okay, here's my idea. I just want you to give me the words as soon as I hit them. Alright, as soon as I hit those 3, keep going. And keep going.
Because you're all fucked right now?
And if I can
All
get
right.
them all in, you eat all of them.
No. No way.
If I mess up, I eat all of them.
No.
Alright.
I want it. So since you're all lit up,
Yeah?
I want to see how long you can go. How many sets of 3 you can do.
Alright. Alright.
First one.
Okay. Okay.
Ironic.
Help, I need a drink. I got an estimate. My tongue is about to fall off so quick, man. Hit me with the next set. I gotta meditate. I better take a fact 'cause I'm wrecked. That's a fact. Ooh, give me the next one. Woo. I regret nothing. I got it though and I lock it because it stimulate. That word was just, that was garbage. It was all
You
garbage.
made it through. I was almost 3, dude.
Yeah, it was almost 3.
Almost 3. Well, in pain. Oh, don't do it.
Gotcha.
Oh, God. Oh, you poor fuck. Oh, I just touched my eyes.
No, you gotta go wash your hand. Go.
No, man. That's. Oh, good God. So, comments. Let me know how much of a pussy I am. How much of a badass AK is, because I can't do that shit. I can't even rap. I'm just here to tell stories and give him a break between pain.
Oh yes. This is you know what? You know what? One more set.
Don't do it.
One more set. Come on, give me one more set. Like and subscribe. Let us know what you think. I'm gonna do one more set, and if I kill it, I'm gonna go home. If I don't kill it, I'm gonna eat those peppers.
Uno más.
That's all 3 of them. Give me 3.
All right. Go.
Here we go. I just lied to you. I didn't undertake this. I'm in the wilderness trying to escape the spiciness. I don't want to do it. I gotta step back. But man, those peppers are hot. And that's a matter of fact. I'm gonna kill that. Keep it going. Give me another track. Look at the news. Troubleshoot. I got you on a vase. A vase? Ah, it was a vase. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. This is Spicy Freestyles. Like, subscribe, comment, and tell me if we homies. Follow us on Instagram. You need some peppers.
I feel so sorry for you right now.
This is fun.
Oh, God.
Fun. But
Dude,
I'm out.
I don't know how you're doing that. Oh, you're gonna feel so shitty tomorrow.
So bad.
Oh, my God.
You guys are awesome. See you next week, or maybe some extra stuff.
We got some good stuff coming. It's gonna
Right.
be throughout the week now.
That's
We're gonna
it.
do some stuff throughout the week. Maybe not pepper related. definitely freestyle, aka and related. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely. Spicy freestyles. Check us out. Instagram, Facebook. Find us fun stuff.
Hello, please.
Hello.
Hello, please.
Hello.
Oh my God, I'm just trying to distract myself.
We out. I gotta go.
This dude's coughing. Oh God, we gotta. He needs some milk.
Milk. Spicy freestyles. We out.
Oh,
This
man.
biatch.
We out. Salute.